The art of saying no, the choice that changed his life forever. Ethan Parker was one of those people everyone loved, polite, hardworking, always smiling. If someone needed help moving apartments, Ethan was there. If a coworker missed a deadline, Ethan stayed late to fix it. If his friends planned a trip, Ethan cancelled his own schedule to join them. He believed saying yes to everything made him kind, helpful, and good, but slowly that habit began to destroy him. The hidden weight of yes. Every yes he spoke added another stone to his back. He was working extra hours, sleeping less, eating junk, and skipping gym sessions. He did not visit his parents in months. He could not remember the last time he had spent a quiet evening doing something just for himself. One Friday evening, after covering yet another shift for a worker, Ethan walked home in the rain. His phone buzzed with message, another request, another favor, another can you please help me out. He stopped under a street light, drenched and exhausted and whispered, when was the last time someone said yes for me? The night he reached home, sat on the edge of his bed, and felt something breaking inside, not his body, but his spirit. He had become a man who excited for everyone except himself. The turning point. The next morning, Ethan visited his sister, Mia. She looked at him and said softly, you missed my birthday again. You always do. Her words hit him harder than he expected. He tried to explain work responsibilities, people counting on him, but she interpreted, Ethan, they will keeping talking from you until there's nothing left to take. That single sentence echoed in his mind for days. He realized the problem was not other people, it was him. He had trained everyone to believe that his time, his energy, his life were always available. Learning the word no, Ethan started small. When his coworkers asked him to handle a weekend report, he replied calmly, I cannot this time. I have got plans. It felt strange at first, guilt mixed with fear, but to his surprise, the word did not collapse. The workers found another solution. Then he said no to unnecessary hangout, to extra work that did not pay off, to relationship that only drained him. With every no, he regained a piece of his soul. The transformation. A few weeks later, Ethan notices he changed. He woke up early, started running again, and spent weekends reading and learning. He recounted with his family. He began a small side project he always dreamed of building an app that help people track their emotional well-being. People noticed he seemed calmer, more confident, more grounded. His no was no longer an act of rebellion. It was an act of self-respect. The momentum of realization. One day, his manager offered him another promotion, but with longer hours. Everyone accepted Ethan to accept immediately, but he smiled and said, Thank you for trusting me, and but I will have to decline. I am finally happy where I am. For the first time, he did not choose success at the cost of peace. He chose balance, and that decision through small changed his life forever. Final lesson: Ethan learned that saying no does not make you selfish. It makes you self aware. It's not rejection, it's redirection. It's not about closing doors, it's about protecting your energy for the doors that truly matter. When you say no to the wrong things, you make room to say yes to the right ones, to love, health, purpose, and peace. Moral of the story: true freedom begins the day you realize that no is a complete sentence. You do not need to apologize for protecting your energy, your time, or your dreams. The art of saying no is, in truth, the that art of loving yourself enough to choose wisely. Suggested video title. And thank you.